let's pour ourselves a spritz and bake a toasted almond, orange, and olive oil cake together. This delicious cake is the perfect pairing for California Muscat or California late harvest wine. Now that we've mixed our spritz, let's start baking. Begin by making toasted almond meal. Then combine the toasted almond meal with the remaining dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk the eggs until blended. Gradually pour in sugar, whisking until it dissolves. Now, add yogurt, olive oil, orange zest, vanilla, and almond extracts and combine everything until it's nice and smooth. Bring all the ingredients together, then pour into a baking pan and top with slivered almonds. Now bake to golden perfection. You can find more delicious recipes and wine pairings like this one at discovercaliforniawines.com.